Here's a number that should grab your attention. $3.1 trillion. That's the size of the global e-commerce market, and hidden inside it is valuable information like pricing data, product trends, inventory signals, and competitor insights. But here's the problem. Most people collect this data the wrong way. Developers get IP bans. Businesses lose access to important data sources. Some even face legal issues because they don't understand the rules. In this video, I'll show you the practical 2026 playbook for web scraping. What's legal, what's ethical, and what tools actually work. Is web scraping legal? The short answer is, it depends. A major court ruling in the HiQ versus LinkedIn case confirmed that scraping publicly available data is generally not considered unauthorized access under US federal law. But there are 3 mistakes you should avoid. Don't scrape data behind login pages without permission. Don't copy and resell copyrighted content like product descriptions or images. Don't ignore a website's terms of service. The safest approach is simple. Collect only publicly accessible data and always review the website's rules first. Think of it this way. Reading a menu in a restaurant window is fine. Walking into the kitchen is not. The ethical side of scraping. Just because something is legal doesn't mean you should abuse it. Every request your scraper sends uses server resources. If you send thousands of requests too quickly, you're creating problems for the website owner. Here's a simple ethical checklist. Check robots.txt before scraping. Use a proper user agent that identifies your bot. Scrape during off-peak hours when possible. Collect only the data you actually need. Good scraping isn't about taking everything, it's about collecting data responsibly so your project survives long-term. The 2026 Scraping Toolkit, modern web scraping has 3 layers. Layer 1, Request. Layer for static websites, tools like HTTPX combined with BeautifulSoup work perfectly. They're fast, lightweight, and handle most simple scraping tasks. Layer 2, Browser layer. Many modern e-commerce websites rely heavily on JavaScript. For those sites, Playwright is the preferred solution. It can render pages, handle scrolling, click buttons, and interact with dynamic content just like a real browser. Layer 3, Infrastructure layer. This is where many beginners struggle. You need reliable proxy infrastructure, request throttling, proper session management. If you don't want to manage everything yourself, platforms like Apify and ScrapingBee can handle much of the complexity for you. Rate limiting, the secret to staying unblocked. The biggest mistake in scraping is going too fast. Many people test their scraper on a few pages, see it working, then suddenly launch thousands of requests overnight. That's usually when bans happen. A better approach is to slow down. As a general rule, keep request rates conservative. Add random delays between requests. Use exponential backoff when you receive rate limit responses. Another important tip, cache your data. If you've already scraped a product page today, don't scrape it again unless necessary. Less traffic means fewer bans and more stable systems. Understanding anti-bot systems. Today's websites use advanced detection systems that analyze browser behavior, fingerprints, browsing patterns, and many other signals. So what actually works? First, use realistic browser environments. Second, behave naturally. Scroll pages normally. Allow realistic wait times. Avoid robotic behavior patterns. Third, treat captchas as warning signs. If you're seeing lots of captchas, something in your setup is attracting attention. Instead of fighting them, adjust your approach. And most importantly, always check whether an official API exists. Many companies provide APIs or data partnerships that are faster, more reliable, and completely approved. Often, the best scraper is no scraper at all. The 5 golden rules. If you remember only 5 things from this video, remember these. 1. Always check robots.txt and terms of service. 2. Scrape only publicly accessible data. 3. Slow down and respect rate limits. 4. Use reliable infrastructure and realistic browser behavior. 5. Cache data so you don't make unnecessary requests. Web scraping can be an incredibly powerful tool for market research, price monitoring, and business intelligence when done responsibly. The people succeeding with data in 2026 aren't the ones scraping the hardest, they're the ones scraping the smartest. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more content on Python, automation, and data engineering. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest scraping challenge you've faced?